The Faribault School Board voted to accept a state grant for drug abuse prevention efforts for Black, Indigenous, and other students of color.
But this vote met some resistance. Our Brittany Ehrman just got back from Faribault, where she talked to people about this debate. Brittany.
Well, there was some pushback from a few board members who claim this grant would discriminate against white students. And some parents say those board members missed the mark. Now, about 60% of the district is made up of minority students, and local advocacy groups tell us this grant will impact all students in a positive way. A $1.1 million grant to fund mental health and substance abuse programs for students of color was on the table. The Faribault School Board approved it Monday night 5-1, but comments from board members sparked controversy.
I don't want this grant. I don't want it. It's discriminatory. We are favoring our children of color.
As a district, we wouldn't ever want to target one race and not offer them services, but it appears as though this grant is doing just that.
These comments are from two board members at the November meeting that ended with a split 2-2 vote. Monday night, when the majority of the board was at the meeting, they took another vote. 5 were in favor, 1 was not.
To hear sentiment about refusing, dollars that is meant to fund BIPOC children is wildly egregious and shocking because it was done in the name of equity.
Mohammed Ibrahim is a part of the CARE organization, a civil rights and advocacy group that came to the meetings. He says students of color face challenges different from their peers, such as a lack of adequate behavioral health services, and it affects minority kids disproportionately.
Allies and advocates can play a great role in breaking down these barriers by pushing for change both at the local level and at the state level.
We spoke to the Faribault school superintendent, who says the funding was needed for the school district. We also got in touch with the school board chair, who explained he's looking forward to partnering with community organizations to bridge gaps.
This is a teachable moment for all of us that we need to be vigilant about these attempts to really defund, BIPOC education.
And following public comment, one of those board members who originally was against the grant, she changed her vote and voted in favor last night. Now, we did reach out to both of those board members that you saw who made those comments, but we have not heard back yet. In the newsroom tonight, Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.
Brittany, thank you.